Welcome all to our channel GTech Fluent. Our today's topic number 20 in ASP.NET Core video series is passing data between controller to view using ViewData and ViewBag. So in MVC application, we can pass data from controller action to the view using ViewData, ViewBag and the strongly type model. So in this video, we will discuss about the ViewData and the ViewBag and the difference between them. So let's start, and first we see what is meant by the ViewData. So the ViewData is a MVC dictionary, is a weakly type of object which is derived from the ViewData dictionary class. ViewData value must be explicitly cast to the data type that you are expecting. But if you are accessing the string value, then you don't require to casting the value. The ViewData only transfer data from the controller action to the view, but it does not work vice versa. ViewData is only valid for the current request. ViewData does not provide the compile error. For example, you have put a wrong key name into the ViewData dictionary. It will not give you the error at the compile time, but you will get the error only at the runtime. So let's switch to the Visual Studio and see the example of the ViewData. So we are in our project which we have created for this video tutorial series. As of now, we have created the model, controller and the view. Now we will see how to pass the data from the controller action to the view using the ViewData. As we discussed, ViewData is a dictionary object, so it will store the data in the form of key value pairs, where each key must be the string value. So now in our example, we need to pass the student data to the view. So let's assign the student object to the ViewData. And if you see, it's a type of the ViewData dictionary, and we need to give the key name. So we will give the student information and will assign the student object. So now we have assigned the ViewData from controller action. The next step is we need to fetch or retrieve the value from the ViewData into the view. So let's go to the view. And let's access the student data here. As we discussed, we need to typecast the student data into the student object, student data as student class. So now we have received or fetched the data from the ViewData into the object, and we have converted into the student class. So let's print the student name here, student.name. Let's run and see and navigate to the student/details/1. Look, we are getting the student name Johnny, and let's access another. We are getting the student name for the Mary also. Now let's see how to pass the string value. So let's declare another ViewData with the page title key, page title, and pass the title student information. And into the view, let's access this page title. So as we discussed, we don't require the type casting for the string value. So we can directly access the string value into the view. So let's access ViewData. Let's run and see and navigate to the student/1. Look, we are getting the title, student information, as well as the student name. Let's check for the another. So now let's see what is meant by the ViewBag. So ViewBag is a dynamic property of the controller base class, and this dynamic type is introduced into the C# 4.0, and it is very similar to the var keyword. That means we can store any type of value into this type, and that type is getting decided at the runtime rather than the compile time. So ViewBag does not require the typecasting, and it will throw the error if you have fetched the wrong method, or you can say the wrong value. ViewBag also used to transfer data from controller to view, not vice versa. And ViewBag is also available for the current request. So let's see the example of the ViewBag. So now let's pass student data using ViewBag instead of ViewData. So let's comment out this and use ViewBag dot. As this is dynamic property, so we need to give the name student, and into the view we need to access the ViewBag. So let's go to the details view and let's comment out this where student, we can assign directly value to the our variable. Look, we are getting the information of student with the help of ViewBag. So now let's see how to pass the string value. In similar way, we need to use ViewBag with the page title and we pass the string value. And we can access this ViewBag page title value into the view at the rate. Let's run and see and navigate to the student slash details slash one. Look, we are getting the student information page title. So in this way, we will pass data from the controller to view using ViewBag and ViewData. So as we see with the example, the difference between the ViewBag and ViewData is a dictionary object, whereas ViewBag is a dynamic object. ViewData and ViewBag both are the property of the controller base class. ViewData and ViewBag both are used to pass the data from controller to view, both having the life cycle for the current request. So in our next video, we will see the strongly typed model passing the data from controller to view using the model. Please let us know if anyone has any query or doubt. We will meet in our next video. Thank you.